Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to use ChatGPT to break down IRS notice in a simple language to understand. So let's get started with the video. So basically, I have a sample IRS notice over here. What you need to do, the part which you are not understanding, you just need to copy that particular part. You need to copy that part, go to ChatGPT, paste that particular part, and you need to give the prompt, could you please convert this IRS notice into simpler language for me to understand. So as you can see, it has given you a simplified version in which you can be understand with an examples, as you can see in the bracket as well. So basically this is how, and you can convert or break down the IRS notice. One more thing, if you want a kind of gist or summary, you can also write, could you give a short summary on this notice to understand it. It will start generating the short summary as you can see here. So this is how you can do that. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.